Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby here. It's a Seagate Backup Plus Hub, and before I do the unboxing and tell you a bit about it, I'll tell you why I bought it. I need to back up my C drive and one of my other drives, and I need it backed up on a regular basis. And I had a look online, had a bit of shopping around, and normally I would have gone for Western Digital because they've always been my favourite. Seagate's in the past, many moons ago, I did have some trouble with Seagate, so I went off Seagate's and I bought Western Digitals. And the reason I've had a bit of a turnaround is because I know some people have already got this hard drive and they're having no issue with it, saying it's working fine, it does what it's supposed to do. Even I've been on Amazon's website and I looked at the reviews on there, and there's just under 4,000 reviews at this time. There's a lot of negatives in there, but equally there's a lot of positives in there. So you've got to weigh up the pros and the cons. So I thought I'd give it a second chance. And the other reason I bought it was purely on the price. This cost me just under £150, which is about $172 as of today. It was cheaper to buy this than it was something similar, Western Digital. 8 terabytes of storage. If I bought the 8 terabytes of storage on their own without the case, it was actually dearer. So it was actually cheaper to buy the package, which is what I wanted anyway. So it's cheaper to get the whole kit for that kind of money. I thought it was a bargain. So it comes with some extra features. It says desktop storage with integrated USB hub. And what that means is there's 2 USBs on the front. They're USB 3s and they're rechargeable USB 3s. So you can plug your phone in it, your tablet, your camera, and it will charge that up for you as well, which I thought was a really good little feature. Also it comes with some extra software. It says Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan. You get that free for 2 months. And I probably won't use it. I'll give it a try, but I probably won't be registering with them on a permanent basis. It says easy backup and intelligent USB hub to manage and charge your devices. And what it means is when it's charging your devices, it's monitoring it to make sure it gets the correct charge. And also it will monitor being connected to your computer, so you can set a time up for it to back up your computer on a regular basis, which I'll probably be doing probably once a week. I know I probably should do it once a day, but probably be once a week is what I'll probably be doing. So I'm looking forward to doing this. I'm looking forward to doing the unboxing and the setting up and getting it all ready. So with that, shall we get on with the unboxing? Got my knife ready just in case. Just got to take the plastic covering off first. I already took out the main Amazon box because although for once Amazon did do a nice packaging box, they didn't mess about with overboxing it. So that's the shrink wrap off. Chuck that on the floor. It's got a little seal on it, so you know I haven't done it already. So I only know what you're going to know right now. So just cut that. That's the seal gone. One thing you don't want to do with one of these is drop it on the floor. So it's got this old egg carton protection. I'm going to be a bit careful here. Come on. It's not coming out. There we go. That was in tight. So nicely packaged, or tightly packaged I should say. Quite a heavy box actually, unless there's something else in here. And I think there is. Yes. Not that. We're not talking about that, so we're talking about probably the power. Come on. Don't want to come out. Might be easier to just cut the bottom. Gonna get beat by a box. There we go. Right, let's have a look at the instructions first, or the leaflets. Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan. That's that, so we'll give that a miss for now. Then you've got Backup Plus Hub. desktop storage with integrated USB hub, quick start guide. That's what that is there. So I'll have a read of that sometime. Oh, it's got little pictures, so it should be quite easy to follow. Showing you charging over there. Yeah. Right. I'll have a read of that later. Let's get the power out. Well, I'm guessing it's a power. So it comes with a power brick by looking at it. Oh, it's that in there. It's a plug as well, isn't it? It's an adapter plug. Okay. Get that now. So it looks like it comes with a multi-adapter plug. So that's the 3-pin for the UK market. So one does all. What we got here? Come on. That's another adapter. So that's like the shaver connections that we use in the UK, and probably 2-pin connection in other countries around the world. So we have the main brick, which is this. Right, so it's one of them smart connections. So basically you should just slide it on. Yeah. Last frame, is that upside down? It was upside down. There you go. So all you do, just slide on. So he says, oh hang on. So you don't slide it from the bottom, you just slide it in there. So okay, so we're there. Okay, and then it's a press thing to release it in case you want. So that's how we want it. There's no adjustable settings. So it just says safety mark on the side. It looks like it's got quite a long lead there, which is what we're going to probably need, or not actually. Before we do that, let's do the cable. So this will be what you plug into your computer, and obviously the hard drive itself. So it's USB 3, which is what we'll need. So it's probably about 1 metre, maybe 1.5 metres, something like that. So it's quite long. So that's that. And this is the baby we want to see. It's got quite a weight to it actually. I'm quite surprised how heavy it is. Yeah, it's very heavy. So it's got some nice design on the side. Bit of ventilation, and not all the holes are uncovered on there. If you can see that. Yeah. It's got no holes on that side. They're just pretty pattern. But on this side you've got ventilation on this side and you can see it. So I imagine you could probably lay it on its side because it looks like it's got little feet there. You see that? 4 little feet. So it probably sits something like that. So, yes, that's how it sits, because that's how it sits in the picture. Right, so you've got USB connection on the back, that one there. Not a standard USB, but it is a USB in the power connection now. Does it have anything like a reset? Can't see nothing. I wouldn't have thought so neither. Got a nice little logo there. So that's got to be the Seagate logo. Yeah, it looks quite nice. It feels like a good quality product. Right, let's see how long this USB is on this plug. Give me a second while I undo it. I would imagine this is quite long. No, I'm not going to need it this long, so I'll probably cable tie some of it just to make it tidy. I reckon about 2 metres, something like that. Oh no, I might be wrong. It's about the same as the USB actually, maybe a bit more. There's a bit more than the, and that's going from the end of the plug, not to the actual far end. So it's not quite as long as the power cable is longer than the USB connection, which I don't mind. So that's it for the unboxing. What I'm going to do now is have a quick read of the instructions and plug her in and set it all up. I'll be back. Right, the first thing we've got to do is decide where to put it. Now I've got 3 options, there or down there. So it'll either be in there, which I think will probably be better, or now. So it'll probably go in there, probably sit like that somewhere. Leave a bit of air all around it so it can breathe. But for now, we're going to just stick it up there, like so. What we do, according to the instructions, which is just a picture by the way. It basically says plug it in. So first of all you plug it into the hard drive, all your connections. So power in first, like so. Then your USB that comes with it, which is that one there, so it's not that end, not the USB 3 end, but this end here, which is a funny connection, and I've seen these before. I'll have a look, see what they're called. They're just different type of USB connections. USB-B I think that is. I think that's what they call that. So that's that plugged in. And once I decide exactly where it's going, I'll probably just make a little hole in the back for charging it up. So we're for charging it up, for powering it up. So what we'll do, we'll untangle myself. We'll plug in the USB once we've done the mains. We'll plug in the mains, which is there. And what I'll do, I'll plug it in here because I have spare connections in here. Close that door up. That'll do for now. Oh, there it goes. Right, see that okay? Of course you can. So it's on now. Start here. See, start here Mac, start here and warranty. So what I'll do, I'll move it over to my nice and clear screen, this one over here. Right, let's have a look then. So you've got 4, you've got start here, Mac app, toolkit, start here, Windows and warranty. So obviously we've got Windows, so we're going to click on here. Double click, as always. So it comes up a nice little Seagate logo. And I reckon it'll take us to a registration. There you go, registration. So fill all this out, terms and condition, privacy, optional offers, if you want them. Yeah, we'll have the optional offers, they might be good. And then register. Protect the data, toolkit backups and files on your computer, blah blah blah. Install download software after completing all steps. So download. We've done that. Click next. Enjoy the benefits of new Seagate drive. Successful register your drive, which we've done. Toolkit automatic file backup. Rescue data recovery protection. Getting started. And then there's more. We'll leave them all. So we've finished. So click on finish, and then we need to install the tool. Or the software I should say. So bring it up here with folders. And there it is. I'm going to delete that one because I've got it twice, because I looked practice first. Double click on that, start it up. And we'll shut this down. And we're going to shut that down. This is the only bit we're interested in, is this bit here. Accept terms and conditions as always, continue. And it's checking my C drive, install to C drive. And that should be, yeah, that's it. So that's installed, starting them up. Updating toolkit. Thank you for being a Seagate customer. Toolkit will help you get, yeah, okay, gets this started. So back up now, or we can do custom. We're going to do custom because we want to select what drive we want it to use. And all files, so you got all files, personal files, documents, music, photos and video. But I want to do specific drives because I've quite a few drives, as you can see. So I want it to do C drive, but I don't want it to do the other drives. So I'm not worried about losing information off of these drives, but I am worried about losing me information off the I. So I want to keep C drive going, and I want to back up C drive all the time, but also I want to back up my I drive. So click on next. Estimated free space after backup 3.3 gig. And you know, it's going to vary depending on your hard drives and your setup. start back up, or we can go to next. We're going to go to next because I want to set up a timer, so you can do it continuously, or you can do it hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or snapshot. We're going to do it weekly, or I'm going to do it weekly, and I'm going to do it every Monday, like so. I don't want Thursdays. I only want Mondays, and it's going to be while I'm in bed. So we're going to want something like, how do you do this? You do it that way. So we probably want something about, I don't know, say 10 o'clock at night. So I don't, yeah, if we do 10 o'clock at night, I'm normally finished doing whatever I'm doing. There you go, 10 o'clock, so that will do that. And then start back up. Mirror your files, drag files into your mirror folder to sync them to your drive. And we're not going to do that, so we're going to skip that. And that's it, so that's all set to go. So it's backing up now because it's doing it for the first time, and then it'll do, you know, every Monday at 10 o'clock. So you just got to remember to leave your PC on. No good turning your PC off because it won't do it. And that's it, so that's all done and ready to go. So you can hide that now. If I go like that, it should finish. So just left click on your Windows and it's gone. So that's it for this Seagate Backup Plus Hub. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. 8 terabyte